Should you switch to Linux as a PC gamer in 2025? Well, the answer is quite complicated. With Linux, you get practically no annoying bloatware, and although Linux has become more and more user-friendly over the years, I still don't think the operating system itself is ready for your average PC gamer. Although it can play pretty much every single game, there are some exceptions. Love it or hate it, Fortnite is a perfect example of this. It is an incredibly popular game that simply just does not have support for Linux, and I guess Epic Games just doesn't want to do that. While there may be workarounds for this, I'm not sure whether or not you're gonna get banned if you do something like weird. And to be honest with you, I think before switching completely over to Linux, I think you should just try it out for a few weeks. And you can try something like a boot drive, or I don't know, you figure that out yourself. Here's a quick list of the things I think you should be taking note of if you want to switch to Linux. Just so you know, if you want to do some office work, it's kind of a pain. Also, if you don't know what a terminal is and you're not willing to learn what it does and how you use it, I simply just suggest you stick to Windows. Also, take into consideration the fact that some software simply doesn't exist for Linux or doesn't support Linux, like Microsoft Teams, Microsoft Office, and so on. So before switching, make sure that all the software that you're using currently on your Windows machine will also work fine on Linux. I personally love Linux, especially for coding, since I currently work as a software developer. But for gaming, seeing as how performance isn't affected as much as you may think it would be, I'd honestly just stick to Windows, but you should totally give Linux a try and decide for yourself.